We'll look at the top DJI Neo accessories in this video to help you have even more exciting drone adventures.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Pidynx Carrying Case. The Pidynx Carrying Case is one of the most important DJI Neo accessories. With sturdy protection for your drone and its accessories, this carrying bag was made with functionality and longevity in mind. Your Neo drone and accessories may be safely stored and transported with this carrying case. Crafted from premium materials to endure the demands of travel and safeguard your priceless investment. You can modify the arrangement to suit your particular equipment by using adjustable dividers. Includes a shoulder strap for convenient carrying and a strong handle. Your drone, remote, batteries, and other accessories are kept neatly arranged with multiple pockets and compartments. On number 2, we have DJI Neo Charging Hub. The DJI Neo Charging Hub is one of the most important accessories for each owner of a DJI Neo. Batteries can be charged and stored by it. In under 60 minutes, it can fully charge 3 intelligent flight batteries at once when paired with the DJI 65-watt portable charger. It can function as a power bank if it has at least one battery stored, using the leftover energy to charge gadgets like cell phones or goggles. The power of the charger being used determines how many batteries may be charged at once. 3 batteries can be charged at once using a charger that is greater than 45 watts. However, only 2 batteries can be charged at once with a charger that is less than 45 watts. See the charger-supported charging methods. In addition, the DJI Neo Charging Hub has built-in safety mechanisms that guard against short circuits, overcharges, and temperature fluctuations. Because of these safety measures, you may charge your batteries without worrying about possible risks, giving you peace of mind. On number 3, we have Pidynx Bag. For carrying your critical drone gear, the Pidynx Bag is a great combination of fashion and practicality. This bag, which was made with the DJI Neo in mind, has enough room and pockets to keep everything related to your drone neatly stored and within easy reach. Able to accommodate 1 Neo drone, 1 remote control, 2 batteries, charger, propellers, data cable, smartphone, and many accessories in its spacious capacity. Room can be customized with detachable dividers. Made of high-quality cloth that offers superior tear resistance and dust-proofing while guarding against scuffs and damages. Improved waterproof leather fabric and a waterproof zipper ensure moisture resistance. Your Neo drone accessories may be transported with ease thanks to the handy carrying case. Because the interior dividers are movable, you can alter the arrangement to suit your specific needs. This adaptability helps you to fit all kinds of equipment and adjust to diverse situations, whether you're going on a short excursion or a longer one. On number 4, we have FPYtosky Landing Pad. Having a dependable landing pad is essential while flying a DJI Neo, especially in difficult terrain. In order to protect your drone from dirt, debris, and uneven terrain during takeoffs and landings, the FPYtosky Landing Pad is a necessary accessory. Drone landing pad measuring 20 by 20 inches, suitable for most drone sizes. This drone landing pad's foldable shape makes it portable and conveniently stores in most backpacks or protective cases. The landing pad is composed of premium double-sided PU leather that is sturdy, long-lasting, waterproof, and dust-proof. It can be dirty with dirt and dust. Simply rinse it with water and shake it dry. Drone landing mats are straightforward to use and can be folded up and open quickly. Once folded, the tiny, lightweight design is easy to carry and fits into most drone cases. The FPYtosky landing pad offers a workable solution to typical landing difficulties with its durable build and user-friendly design, guaranteeing a safer and more seamless landing experience for your DJI Neo. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.